Hello friends and welcome back to the Techlegend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sparkle Arc B580 ROC Luna OC graphics card. So friends, the Sparkle has announced the flagship custom design Intel Arc B580 graphics card, and the card derives its name from all white appearance with the making up not just a cooler shroud and fan impellers but also the PCB shoulder mask underneath, and the card's design appear to balance element to appeal to both gamers and creators, and it comes with 2.5 slot thick design, and it uses an aluminum fin stack heatsink and that ventilated by a pair of 90 fans, and the Sparkle RP580 ROC Luna OC card comes with the company highest factory overclock for the B580 with a maximum boost frequency of 2800 MHz and compared to the 2670 MHz reference and the 2740 MHz of the Titan OC graphics card, and it also increased power limit of 210 watt compared to 190 watt reference, and it draw power from two 8-pin PCI power connector, and the company didn't pricing reveal the pricing. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.